Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the document so you can search contextually. Open the doc and press Ctrl plus F or CMD plus F to reveal the find box. Once visible, type a keyword or a quoted phrase for exact matches and watch the document jump to each occurrence. Make sure to check match case or rejects only if you enabled advanced find options. If your phrase has punctuation, include it to narrow results. This gets you immediate hits and orients you to nearby content quickly. Once done with the basic find, open the three-dot menu to access Find and Replace and other controls. This is where you refine results. You can toggle match case to respect capitalization, enable regular expressions for pattern searches, or fill replace with new text to update repeated terms. Make sure to step through results with the arrows or enter so you review context before committing replacements. If you have long documents, use the document outline alongside search to confirm your editing. You're nearly done. After confirming a few matches, use replace or replace all to complete edits, but proceed cautiously. Once finished, make sure to scan key locations and then use version history if anything went wrong so you can restore a previous state. If search returns no results, check for invisible characters, extra spaces, non-standard punctuation, or different spellings. Adjust your query accordingly. Finally, clear the find box to return to normal editing and keep working with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.